Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, this is a breast cancer awareness collab. Vicky from glittersparklenaildesign asked me to join, so I said yes. Because some of you may not know, but breast cancer has touched my family in more ways than one. So yeah, I'm very lucky that I haven't had it. So yeah, I've had a couple of scares, but anyway, these are the colours I'm going to be going in with. These are I'm a Lee, so these are a couple of the new ones they sent me. So yeah, I will put some music on and just let you watch. So sit back, relax, and I shall see you near the end. Okay, see you soon. I'm just going to apply the final top coat now. Let me know down below what you think. I really like how this turned out. I think it's really pretty. So I will just apply this, add the final bits and bobs, and there's some pictures at the end, and there's also some information on how to do self-examination, because it is really important to do it not just this month but all year round, all the time, on a regular basis. And men, if you are watching, don't you forget either. And us ladies, you know, we need to get them to be checking as well, because it's not just women. So yeah, so I want to thank everybody for watching today. Please check out the playlist, it will be linked down below. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and let me know what you think of this. Okay, hopefully see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.